I'm doing epic trick shots because I'm so close to 300 videos. This is my 261st video here, so let's do some epic trick shots. So there. Here we go. Oh, that's not it. Oh, but that is not it either. Oh. Dang it. Dang it. You suck. Oh. Yay. Finally. Let me try to get it from all the way over here. Dang it. I'm good at making toilet paper go into trash cans from far distance. Not like a real... You know what? If I miss it one more time, I'm gonna rage. That was not expected. These aren't epic at all. These are epic failures. Make it. Come on. Yay! Now can I make one from here? Oh, stupid lamp I did it. Yeah! Finally! Now I can make... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I almost made it. Oh my god. Epic failure. I suck at making hoops.